Hi, this is V Ajay Kumar. I am currently placed at CITCO. I joined MIE in the month of August 2022. At the beginning of the course, I had no idea about hedge funds, but by the end of it, I got a very clear understanding of what is investment banking and hedge fund. My journey with MIE was very fruitful. This course is well structured and the mentors explain the concept very clearly, even for the beginners who have no idea about what is hedge funds and investment banking. When people from non-financial background can also understand the course. The assignments which they give by the end of every session is very useful because it is more than enough to crack the interviews. I would say the digital communication class is also very helpful because most of the interviews are taken virtually and these sessions help us to improve ourselves and how to present ourselves. Thank you.